am Sylvia Gordon from the Medicare Family. I am the middle generation, sandwiched between my parents and my children. So the question I had this week was, hey, I know the new Medicare cards came out in 2019. This is what they look like. And they were sent to all 70 million people that are on Medicare. However, my sister or my brother, it's never you, my husband, never got it or lost it already. But he still has the old one, and he's been using the old one, and it works. So are we okay? And the answer is yes, until the last day of 2019, in which case the old card that has your husband's or your sister's, but not yours, because you got your card, has their Social Security number on it. So for privacy reasons, Medicare got rid of that format and went to this new random digitalized format that has letters and numbers. That's the new card. So if you don't have your new card, it's already been sent out. It just didn't get you. They didn't have the right address, or you lost it in the mail. You threw it away in the junk. So call 1-800-MEDICARE and go order your card. You can also order it by going online to Medicare's site, or you can call your agent for help. If you have your old card, you can still use it. You can still give it to the doctor until the last day of this year, in which case they won't be able to take it starting January 1st of 2020. You will need to have the new card. So look in your wallet right now. If you are the responsible spouse in the marriage, look in your other spouse's wallet or purse and make sure they're both the new cards, and you'll know they're new because they won't have Social Security numbers on them. If they're not new, let's get on it right now before the end of the year and get you the new card. If you need help, call my family, the Medicare Family. The number is on the screen. Call us, email us, or live chat us, and we'd be happy to help. I hope this video was helpful to you today. If it was, let me know in the comments. If it wasn't, let me know in the comments. Thanks.